Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about which of the following is not true regarding the surveillance of water pollution. For surveillance of water pollution, for multiple tube method is used to calculate the number of bacteria. Actually, true. Multiple tube test will tell us about the presumptive coliform count. That is, coliform count we will know from multiple tube test. E. coli can be tested by indole test at 44 degrees Celsius. True. Thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate is used to neutralize the chlorine. You can use sodium thiosulfate to neutralize the urine. Presence of Corynebacterium diphtheria is recent infection. It's not Corynebacterium diphtheria which is recent infection. It is actually recent contamination is E. coli. That is thermotolerant E. coli, not the Corynebacterium diphtheria. Thank you. Fecal contamination. So if you see thermotolerant E. coli is for recent infection. Coliform count, fecal streptococci and Clostridium perfringens can also be used for indicating as indicators for water contamination by feces. Thank you. Thank you and thank you for watching.